Now we're looking at how a bar magnet can be told to be an equivalent solenoid. Quite simple actually. See, we saw the idea of current loop, and we saw that if we take an electron moving around the circle, that's like acts like a current loop, and current loop is right if you have an electron moving around. So this is nothing but a current loop which will be in the opposite direction. So this is your current, and we know that current produces magnetic field. Next, a bar magnet is made up of a lot of materials and all of that, and we have electrons that are going around and forming a current loop. So each of this, there is infinite, okay, there is finite, not infinite. There is finite current loop, but there are current loops. So within the space, all of this will kind of neutralize, like everything as usual. But end of it, we can consider that as a whole, there is current that is going around the surface. And how does a solenoid look like? Similar idea. In solenoid also, we have current going around its outer surface. And that's how we can explain or equate a bar magnet to a solenoid. So your write-up, it is a bit more complicated, but this is how it looks like, and the diagram has to be written. So all magnetic effect are produced by current loop. This is Ampere's hypothesis. Then in a magnet, the electrons in an atom keeps revolving around its nucleus, setting up electric current. This current are equivalent to small circular current loops. In a permanent magnet, this current loop are arranged parallel to each other and have a consistent direction of current. So about permanent magnets and ferromagnetic material, we'll be talking about this, but for now you can consider it to be true. Since they are aligned, they will add up. If they are not aligned, they won't add up. Superposition theorem. So overall, what happens inside? The current from adjacent loops cancels each other out as usual. So the net current inside the magnet is 0. However, there is a net surface current. Net surface current. Keyword. Due to this surface current, the bar magnet is equivalent to the closed, wound current carrying solenoid. Wound, I don't know how to pronounce that. Winding, that I know. This is past tense. Here the keyword is arrange parallelly. Arrange parallelly. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah. So basically it's that. Everything is made up of atoms. Atoms have electrons. Electrons are moving around. They form a current loop. Current loop within the surface will cancel each other out. As a whole, there's a surface current. And that surface current can be equated to a solenoid having current flowing through it. That's it.